I put on a winter coat finally. Winter is finally here, but it's not snowing yet. So it's not snowing. You see the sun and the steam out of my mouth. And I'm in my warm, long coat. I returned home and I bought some mandarins because it's mandarins season. And you know, guys, people in Russia love mandarins, especially in December. They buy them for Christmas mood, for festive spirit. I didn't notice that people eat many mandarins in summer, for example, or in spring. So it's the most popular fruit in winter. And what else? We in October gave our winter coats in a laundry, so we took them back also in October. And they had cleaned the jackets, but you know, we have no spots on them, no scuffings, just the awful smell. I don't know, it's like it was in the flat, in the dirty flat with cats all around. I'm not against cat owners, but actually I like dogs more than cats, and that's why I bought some sachets. I don't know what is called in English. In Russian it's sachets. I think in English it's the same. So one is with bergamot and one is with coconut. I'm gonna put them in our wardrobe. The previous one was with this ribbon, and the new ones don't have such a ribbon, so I just put them right there on the upper shelf. The other one, coconut one, I put here on my shelf, right with this basket. This smell is softer than the bergamot one. I like Choco Boys. These are chocolate mushrooms with a cookie, and I couldn't find them in the shop, so I bought this dinosaurs cookie. They are very light. They have only here 50 grams. They have only 250 calories, so they are so light. And also mandarins, which is great. Our calendar is just tasks to do every day, so I put ticks here and here and here because we have done these actions, like we have already bought presents and gifts for the new year. I made a playlist of the New Year songs, Christmas songs, and also with Nikita we bought a kilogram of mandarins, and I have already bought a second packet of mandarins, so I love them so much. And today is the 10th of December, so let's do it together. Let's open the window together. It's written here, make a day of relaxation for yourself. Fortunately, today is the working day. The only place where I can go at such an early hour is, of course, the nail salon, because now it's 9ish a.m. Yeah. Usually at this time I sleep. By the way, they have moved, but like 200 meters away. So they have changed the place, but it's not far. It's nearly the same. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I mean, what nails to pick, what design to pick. But we will see now. The weather is weird because you see it's a little bit pinkish, and I don't know why. Usually in winter when it's pink, the sky is pink, it leads to the cold weather. And probably it will, because yesterday in Moscow, you know, when it rains in Moscow, it will rain in Tольятти in 1 or 2 days. When it snows in Moscow, it will snow in Tольятти also in 1 or 2 days. So we are waiting for snowing.
Надо найти.